How to fix Life360 app not working. Let's get started. Launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Life360. After app appears, at the right corner you're gonna find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you have to long press on the app Life360. Click on the option of App Info. Click on the option of Clear Data. Click on Clear Cache. Click on OK. Again, click on Clear All Data. Click on OK. Now you can click on Force Stop. After you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is uninstall the app and reinstall it. For that, long press on the app. Click on App Info. At the bottom, you'll see the option of Uninstall. Click on it. Click on OK. Now close this. Open your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app. After app appears, click on the option of Install. Once you apply all this process, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Life360 app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.